closely on the Amazing Race Philippines. Go!
Hanapin ang daan papuntang Manila Yacht Club.
Nasubukan ang talas ng pag-iisip ng teams.
Thank you.
Kinampihan rin sila ng swerte.
Astronaut. I love you.
At sinang-ayunan ang kanilang performance.
Energetic.
Hinarap din nila ang kanilang takot at kahinaan.
Stop it! Oh my God! Ang sakit ng Jackson!
At sa huli, nanguna ang gym buddies na si Mark at Kat.
Number 1.
Hindi naman naisalba ang dating couple na sina Cristel at Mikey.
You have been eliminated from the race.
At sa Universidad ng Santo Tomas, dito, magpapatuloy ang kapalaran ng natitirang 10 karera.
Bumiyahe by bus papuntang Vegan Ilocos, Philippines. Sa iyong pagdating, pumunta sa Bantay Bell Tower at hanapin ang inyong sumunod na clue.
Sinakop ng mga Kastilang Pilipinas, they turned vegan into one of the most religious and cultural places in the Ilocos region. Patunay nga niya ng mga heritage houses, simbahan, at syempre mga kalesa na nakikita dito. At dito sa makasaysayang lugar na ito, muling magtatagisa ng mga teams ng lakas, bilis at diskarte para manatili sa karera.
Alis na to, nagsasakay na sila eh.
Okay na po yun.
Pero wala naman pong hinto-hinto yun, dire-diretso po yan. Okay na yun.
Okay na po kami
Okay na po kami sa... Kuya, alas 8 na. Oo na.
Let's go.
21,
Okay.
22.
Sakay na ng mga bus ang 10 teams para sa 12-hour land trip patungo sa bayan ng Ligas, Ilocos Sur. Ang Bantay Bell Tower isa sa pinakamatandang struktura dito sa Ilocos Sur. Itinayo ito noong 1590s. Nagsilbi rin siyang watchtower noong panahon ng mga Kastila, kaya't naman itinawag itong Bantay. Dito sa historical site na ito, mahahanap nila ang next clue.
Anong ito po yung salvage class namin?
Pagdating naman namin dun sa Bell Tower, sa sign, it opens 8:30 a.m. But then, since we have salvage pass, pwede kaming pumasok 30 minutes earlier.
Ahead of time.
Yun nga, sobrang gave us the great advantage.
Detour.
Gawa o nguya.
Sa detour, kailangan pumili ang bawat team kung alin sa dalawang task ang kanilang gagawin. In each task, there are pros and cons. Now, in this detour, kailangan nilang pagpilian ang gawa o nguya. Sa gawa, kailangan nilang gumawa ng 2 tali ng vegan longganisa na katumbas ay 2 dosena. Siyempre, may tamang sukat at tibang ang mga to na kailangan masunod. Kapag na-approve ng longganisa maker ang ginawa nila, makukuha na nila ang next clue. Sa nguya, kailangan nilang kainin ng 70 pieces ng vegan longganisa. Pero, pwede naman nilang pagtulungan to para mas mabilis ang kainan. Once naubos sa 70 pieces, they can get the next clue.
Meat section po. Saan po ang meat section?
Kaya mo yan, Mark?
Oo, sige. Teka. Kaya
Maliliit
namin
lang yung
humuya.
longganisa.
Kasi ang akala ko, ganito lang kalalaki yung longganisa na kakainin namin. Dahil yun ang alam ko pagka Ilocos eh. Eh, ganito pala kalalaki, tapos ganito rin
Ang taba.
kataba. 70 piraso.
Pero unang kagat ko pa lang, wow, maalat, oily.
Yun na lang, Kat. Mas madali yun, no? Oh. Tara, yun na lang.
Ay, hindi mo kaya?
Hindi ko kaya.
Ate, paano yan? Susuka na ako, wala pa lang. Susuka na ako, wala lang ganito pa lang.
Oo.
Ang alat.
Oo.
Gawa o nguya. Gawa. You want that? Yeah, alin. Nguya.
Okay, kuya. Okay.
Gawa.
Sito sa longganisa. Sa longganisa. Nguya. Mas lalo kong nanamnamin ang pagkain ng langganisa kasi ang hirap pala.
Make one more.
Wala na, hindi na aabot to.
Sige. Isa na lang pa. Gagawa pa ako ng isa.
Ha?
Isa pa ako.
Ayan, go. That's it.
Okay, wait lang.
Okay, go. Tapos ikanon mo. Ganon, suot-suot mo.
started with the making, it wasn't easy. So Danny said, "Do you want to switch to eating?" And I was like, "No, I can't eat that."
Let's eat it, babe, please. I can eat. I'll eat everything.
How much time to eat?
I'll eat everything. I'll eat it. Wait, very eat. Ito. Ate, pili mo na to. Thank you.
Salamat po. Salamat po. Make your way to Pagburnayan District at hanapin ang next clue.
Kailangan magpunta ng mga team sa Pagburnayan District, ang pinakamalaking paggawa ng export pots or burnay dito sa Vigan, Ilocos Sur. At dito, matatagpuan nila ang susunod na clue. Sa intersection, kailangan magsama ang dalawang teams upang gawin ang susunod na task. Maaring mamili ang mga teams kung sino ang gusto nilang makapareha, but this choice may work for or against them.
Let's go.
Okay.
Manong,
Pagburnayan!
How ready ka na?
We ate longganisa as if there's no tomorrow. At saka kay gutom lang ang peg namin sa paglalongganisa.
Did you try?
I decided to eat because I wasn't sure once we're done with the longanisa, I wasn't sure if they're gonna approve it. And if they don't approve it, it's gonna take longer for us to finish the task.
With this raw meat in our hands, you can't be in there. Can you actually do it? Can you do it or no?
Tatapusin mo na yan. Tutulungan ko na sila.
O sige, tulungan mo na sila.
I can help you, right? Okay.
Doyle, I'm sorry. You can't help me right now. I told you need help.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
4, 5, 6.
Thanks for, Kyle, thank you for, like, asking if I need help.
Route info.
Sa intersection na ito, kailangan magtulungan ng dalawang teams na mag-deliver ng 60 clay pots. Gamit itong karitong na ito, hila ng kabayo papunta sa isang marked location sa Kali Crisologo. Sa mabatong daan na dadaanan nila, tsak may mga malalaglag na banga. Kapag lumagpas sa 5 banga ang nabasag nila, magkakaroon sila ng time penalty for each jar that they break. Sa hirap ng task na ito, will they break under pressure?
60 pots and
Dapat walang mababasa. Girls, girls! Hawakan niyo yan sa taas. Hawakan niyo. Huwag niyo tignan, please.
Yeah. Holding.
Paa mo, Kat. Paa mo, maipit.
Slowly, guys. Saan yung ano? Gallery Crisologo.
Diretso na.
Kanan tayo.
Kaliwa.
Right, tapos diretso daw.
Kanan. Here, I'll put the board.
He.
Cat puts pressure. Mahilig siya.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang.
He.
We're putting pressure here, okay? Slowly, guys.
Isa sa harap. He.
Ayan. Slowly, guys. Meron din ako.
He.
I'm never eating longanisa again in my life, man.
Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
Make your way to Pagburnayan District at hanapin ang next group.
One last.
Hindi na namin nabilang talaga kung ilan yung kinain ng bawat isa. Pero parang one thing's for sure, mas marami siyang nakain.
Yeah, ako, tansya ko nasa, mga 40 siguro.
40,
Sa kanya, mga 30 siguro.
Thank you!
Oh, tagal naman ng partner natin, ha? Partner Singkrem, oh.
Ang tagal siguro gumawa ng langgunisa nun.
Wala kang makikita.
Oh, come on, guys! Come on, Mayor, come on! Here! We need partner. Intersection!
We got into an intersection. We saw Boom and Chang. So the first group was already there. Boom and Chang, we went in with them.
Okay, I'll bring the pots. You guys organize, okay? Yeah, okay. I'll bring pots. You guys organize. 6.
I can't believe you can sacrifice right now. If you don't eat meat, I said I want to do that thing. You see, you will not let me.
I don't eat meat, too.
So why are we here?
I'm sacrificing because this is the easiest. Babe, I need to! Please! I'm begging you! I know what you need, girl! You need more meat than I do!
You chose to be here. So please don't turn around.
Manang! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sa'yo na nasa inyo sa'yo.
Yes?
Okay?
Okay.
Woo! Longganisa Queen!
Friend, naputo! Yan ginagawa mo, friend. Okay, dito ka na, dito ka na. Ay, saksak mo na! Saksak mo, baby!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Isa na lang. Last one yan, Pao. Ingatan mo yan. Ganda mo na yung dulo.
Kasi dapat sinasalo ang tali kanina pa. Sinalo ko naman, ano bang ginawa ko?
Come on! Let's go!
It's still in third section. Tulong tayo, tulong tayo.
Come on, come on.
We got it ready.
Got it.
We will make sure na...
Mababasa mo loading will count as part of your breakage allowance.
Existing-
In full fairness kay Daddy Ed at saka kay Angel, magaling silang partner. As in, si Daddy focus, tapos siya yung nagli-lead sa aming apat na nagbibigay siya ng instruction na, Jervy, ilagay dito, ganyan.
Yan, ang galing. Thank you, ha. Very good.
Boom did a good job taking the lead there. You know,
It's all cooperation.
Yeah,
It's good cooperation.
I think everybody there's alpha males, you know, so we kind of took a step back and said, let Boom do his thing. Unfortunate that we got a broken carriage and unstable one with a horse that would not cooperate.
Go, move. They're still okay. They're still intact. The horse.
Daddy!
Please careful!
Ready?
Daddy, go!
Saan? Guide mo kami.
Daddy, nahanda!
Yeah, we will. Titignan ko.
Dahan-dahan!
Oh, ito. Isa. Watch out. Come on. Kaya. Steady lang. Steady lang.
Go, Daddy! Thank you, Angel! Thank you, Daddy!
We can do this!
Okay na sa akin.
Okay na.
So nasty!
Ito yan.
Take it there.
Namita siya. Try to find the weakest gag reflex.
Ah! Show your mouth! Drink water, please! Thank you so much!
Ruben. Okay, make your way to Pagwaran District at hanapin ang next clue.
Water! Ah, it's going to my nose! It's so nasty! Let's go! Ah! Make your way sa Pagbornayan Street at hanapin ang next clue. Kuya, public pottery, ano yun? Para masahe lang to para masahe.
Well, of course, yeah, it's frustrating. Of course, it's also discouraging. And to see them leave before us, it was gut-wrenching.
Okay. Good. Next.
Okay, may kilikili.
Dahan-dahan!
Ah, guys! Okay, dahan. Nagagat kasi yung kilikili ko.
Okay, go.
My arm. Good go, Mark. Gentle, Mark.
Ow!
Sinipakas.
Tinapakan ako ng kabayo. Iiwas ako sa lubak. Never mind. Dalawa pa lang.
Slowly.
55, 56.
57. Sabi ko sa inyo, tatlo lang, hindi apat ladies eh.
Good job, girl.
Good job, girls.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Michael. Boy, mag-thank you naman kayo kay Michael.
Michael, thank you.
Thank you kayo kay Michael.
Salamat po, Manong.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Let's open.
Ang pukpok palayok ay isang larong Pilipino na ginagawa tuwing may piyesta o espesyal na okasyon. Sa challenge na ito, kailangan mapukpok ng isang team member ang palayok habang naka-blindfold. Gagabayan siya ng kanyang teammate sa pamamagitan ng tunog ng tambourine. Kailangan nilang mabasag ang palayok para makuha ang next clue. Ngayon, ang mga teams na madaling magkaintindihan, tsak matutumbok ang dapat tama.
Hey, why next way?
This is the section. You want the group with us?
Where is it?
Here. Let's go.
This! Is that an intersection?
Sila Dani yung nakasama namin sa team na nakasama namin sa intersection. Pero ang tagal na rin namin nag-antay doon. Tayo. Siguro kung walang intersection, malayo na rin kami.
Gagawin. Paano maglagay?
Magkahiwalay yung pot? Magkahiwalay?
Ayun, ginagawa nila. Same.
I'll take the water out.
Sa corner yan.
Sige, bilisan natin. Lagyan na natin.
Oo, sige. Galog-galogin mo kung hindi magagalaw.
1, 2,
Tanggalin natin itong kuha akong patusok.
4, 5.
Pao.
Yun, kinagay tayo doon. Go, this one. Aray ko. Doon tayo, maghahanap tayo ng ano gagawin natin.
Konti na lang pala ba? Konti na lang.
Oh, dalawa pa rin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ikaw ang maglalagay, friend. Okay. One more. Hindi na ako kakain ng longganisa! Okay!
Okay, cut it. Yeah?
Okay na?
Yeah?
Yay!
Yeah? Thank you! Alright.
Kuya, hinintay mo kami!
Yeah, we can do it.
Kaya natin ito.
Go. Kaya natin. Race. Good partnership. Thank you. We waited for you.
Go nang go, akong bahala.
Kuya. Kuya, dito lang po kaya.
Ayusin mo. Bayaan mo sila, huwag mo silang pansinin muna.
So when we got there, nakalagay intersection. Tapos may dalawang card. So ibig sabihin may isang team na hindi kumuha. So kami parang nagde-deduce kami sa utak namin, sino ba yung, kami yung last eh.
Yeah, we were
so
the last.
sino yun?
Who is the other one? Oh.
Concentrate.
Hindi ko sa pinapansin. Bakit bawal pang tumingin?
Ay, friend kasi is isang tingin, nawawala yung concentration.
Does everyone have their clue? Does
Yung
everyone have
maliit
their clue? Does everyone here have their clue? Everyone here has a clue?
You teamed up already?
Ate, you guys have your clue? Ate, meron kayong team? Ate, you guys don't have a team yet. You're supposed to wait for a team. We literally pulled them out.
Kulang na lang,
Pull
kargayin
them
ko siya
out.
parang sanggol. Ano ba ito?
Pull them out. We pulled them out. Ate, we're supposed to work together.
I think I speed talk.
Yeah.
While
As in-
reading everything.
Sa intersection, join forces with another team. Kung may team na naghihintay, you may choose to work together or maghintay ng iba pang team na darating. Kung walang ibang team na present, you must wait for another team. Tara, pumili ng kami ngayon.
Okay, just go to Okay. All right.
Oh, my tummy.
Sino Okay.
Oh my gosh, I think Antoine's team, Boom and Cheng, they must have lost at least half their pots trying to get up on the pavement. Yeah. So seeing that, we're like, okay, let's do the slow and steady thing.
You guys, I'm gonna move it just a little bit, okay? Michelle.
Okay.
Okay?
Stop.
Stop! Cross under! I mean, she's always gonna be like that, so I know how to take it. If you say something back, it's gonna cause a... So, because I know how it works. Stay calm and collected about it.
Ate, kami na mag-aayos. Lagi na lang nalagay. Okay, lang nalagay.
The reason why my intersection is because
You work together
you
as a
work
group.
together. No one assigned a leader. It's everyone's game.
Tama, boy. Ay, may ano. Please, boy.
Ate.
Sa akin siya dyan. Ay, mag-aata kasi pag ganun tayo.
No. Horse. You
Yeah,
understand?
boy.
Listen.
Ate, makinig
We
ka.
cannot
Hindi ka
back up
nakikinig.
the horse.
Makinig ka.
Hindi natin.
Hindi siya kwento.
That's when, ito na, si Bad Mom. She was grabe. As in,
The whole time.
Sinabi ko na kasi sa inyo, dapat talaga meron meron na tayong proseso dito.
Marunong ako mag-ayos, ayaw niyong makinig.
Okay, ate. Okay, listen. Yung plan natin kanina hindi nag-work, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll try it your way. One more time, okay?
I'll try it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, go.
Okay, we'll try it one more time, alright? Oh my God, you sound like my mom.
Motherly instincts kicking in.
Mama, I love you!
Let's do this! I-move muna yung kabayo, tapos
Yes.
ayusin natin para very patient ang kabayong
Yun po,
mag-move.
yun po. Okay, let's try it. Jethro? Jethro? Hi, Jethro!
Dahan-dahan lang, please! Dahan-dahan lang!
Stop.
Sa atin ba yan?
Oo.
Hindi nabasag?
Oh my God, thank you, Lord. Okay, I got it.
Wait, nothing stable. Okay?
Okay, good.
Hang on. Konti na lang. Kaya to.
Sige, Daniel, ipakilalain na lang si ano.
Slowly.
Pabayaan niyo sila! Sige, dahan-dahan lang, sige.
Alright.
Are we done?
We're done. Let's go.
We're done.
Yung parking lot ng kabayo, bato-bato, talagang pinahirapan talaga kami doon.
Oo, tsaka... Stop! Ho!
Okay, we're almost there.
Wait lang. Laglag na talaga.
Wait,
Okay lang ganun dito.
Oy, stop! Hindi kasya, oh! Hindi kasya!
Okay, sumiksik
Hindi kasya pa, hindi ka kasya dito. Hoy! Wait! Okay lang, sige!
Sige.
Good. Good. Good.
Alam niyo na kung saan!
Slowly, please.
Ito na,
Here.
ito na taas!
We have a delivery!
Hold it, ito na!
Okay, we're almost here. That's it.
Wait lang!
Alright, okay, I'll help you. Taas muna, sige.
On top. Don't get those ones in the bottom.
Yung mga nasa taas muna.
Cracked.
Ipilang
Bilangin,
natin.
Yeah. 2.
Stop. Just
Slowly!
Bagal lang.
Slowly!
Yung haba din nung lakad namin. Akala namin siguro mga dalawang block lang.
Tapos yung
kanto.
pag-left namin ganyan, rough road pa yung...
Oh, rough road. Kasi buti na lang, malaking gulong. Okay naman yung dalawa eh. Kumbaga, taga teamwork na lang kasi no choice kami kundi makapagtulungan. Pag di kami nagtulungan, wala mangyayari sa amin, di ba?
There we go. It's alright, buddy. We're almost there, okay? Almost there.
Kuya, you gotta repair! Grabe yung experience, yung the whole pot na carrying it and going there. As in, under the heat, as in, nagtutulak ng horse, picking things up, putting back on, making sure nothing falls.
Sa akin, kahit ganun siya kahirap, even though it tested our patience, hindi ako mamimili ng ibang partner for this race with her, but her. So, just, wala na.
Hey!
We got this, girls!
Oh, yay!
We got this, ladies!
51. 52. 53. 54.
Tama, 57!
56. 57. Go, get it.
Go.
Get, let's go to the side.
Side,
Come on,
side.
Joe. Tatlo lang nga yata, tatlo lang. Ganda lang. Oh.
Okay, please be calm.
Stop again. Hoy.
Inaabot ka na ng damay na to.
Sige.
For real, once it's 5, never mind fixing things. So we're gonna have a penalty anyway.
Sige.
Yeah, but just in case, you know.
Ilan na ba? Ilan na ba? Tinanong mo ba sa kanila? 4. Oh, sige. 4, ingatan na lang natin makabasag na isa.
We really can't drop another one or we get a
Sige,
penalty.
ayusin na lang natin muna ulit, Pao. Gusto nyo?
Okay na.
Para sigurado lang.
Okay na to.
Wait lang. Pakiano dyan. 4 lang. Sige. Oh, it's here. It's here. Oh, stop. Oh. Just pass it. Yeah. Go. Para mas marami. Oh, get him down. Yeah, get him down.
Yeah. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 42.
Pasensya na po kayo. May nabasag kayo ng 14 pots. May 14 minutes kayong penalty.
14. 1 for ring. Apat. Okay.
Nasa pot ang inyong next clue.
Sorry for breaking your pots. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat. Let's go.
Okay. Go. Let's go.
Pag nagkakamali ako,
Malagkakamali ka.
tan.
Oo. That is the perfect challenge for us. Yun ang pinaka-perfecto sa lahat.
Wala kasing
Kasi walang boses. Wala ko na lang, bakit? Wala ko
Walang
narinig na
tension
ganun.
on my
Walang
part.
tension at
Sa
all.
kanya rin.
Wala.
Route info, oh my God. Pumunta sa susunod na pit stop. Ito ay nasa paligid lang ng Plaza Burgos. Magundi yung team. We have to look for Derek.
Ang St. Paul's Cathedral ay isa sa pinakamatandang simbahan dito sa Vigan. It took almost 200 years bago ito mabuo dahil hindi forced labor ang ginamit dito. At dito sa historical site na ito, ang pangalawang pit stop ng ating race around the Philippines. And the last team to arrive here may be eliminated.
Bilisan mo, Kat.
Niragsak na isa sang bayo ditong vegan. Maligayang pagdating sa vegan.
Mark, Kat.
Yes.
Congratulations, you're team number 1. You ready to scream and jump again?
Yes!
More good news.
You want more good news?
Yes! Yes, good news.
Care of American Tourister, you will receive another 200. Winning this leg. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Kung ano man ang diskarte na ginagawa nyo, keep it up dahil it's working.
Yeah.
Alright? Congrats.
Thank you.
Care, guys.
Ito na! I can see it! Ibaba muna natin dahan-dahan. Dapat dito natin ibaba. Ayoko nang tumulong.
Wait, I'll watch the dito.
Dahan-dahan.
Hoy! Stop!
No, it's not worth it.
Why?
It's only a minute.
Michelle, everything's gonna fall! Michelle, please, stop.
Okay lang. Sige, nandito na tayo.
Wait a minute.
It's okay. Nandito na tayo. Konti na lang.
Deliver
Here's
na
a
natin.
little
Nandito lang
bit.
tayo.
Okay lang.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We have
Bilangin
34.
ulit. Kuya, 34.
Sorry ma'am, may pasensya kayo. May nabasag kayo ng 20 na pots. May 20 minutes kayong penalty.
Okay.
Okay.
Anong gagawin namin? Mag-aantay sa penalty namin? Oo, mag-aantay na. Ng 20 minutes? Oo, okay.
Danny, realize I'm not driving a car too, okay? So it does take a second for the horse to stop also.
I'm not being masuit to you. I'm telling you to stop for us.
And then you look at me like it's my fault.
Saan ba?
But you keep giving me this look, Michelle. You listen. I'm like, girl.
Ano ba lagpas? Oy! Stop! Asan? Ay, doon na nakatayo na yung mga tao doon. Sige, dito na, stop!
Okay, ready?
Go back. It's right there.
Hep. Sige.
1. Magbilang ka.
Sige, ito.
4. 6.
Dito nyo na pa ituloy.
Yes. 8.
Pasensya na po kayo. May 11 pots kayong nabasag.
Okay.
11
So that's
minutes
the
kayo.
penalty.
Penalty.
Okay. Ready dito?
Okay, mataas Lisa. Since like, you know, like I've been watching Amazing Race, para kapag nakita ko ng ginagawa nila, excite ako, gusto kong gawin. So I remember everything. Kasi I knew na it's hard to communicate using just a tambourine. Yeah. Diba? Kasi nga, the good thing about being friends is if I tell you this is, nagigigets nyo yung sinasabi ko eh. Right away.
Yes! Let's go!
Pumunta sa susunod na pizza. Ito ay paligid lang ng Plaza Burgers. Madali. Halika naman, halika na. Let's go. Sis.
I see my honey bunny there!
Oh my gosh.
Honey! Honey! Hi! Hey!
Come on. Honey, baby. Hi.
Ladies, you guys are team number? Number 2.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kuya. Sige, go.
Okay, bigay po. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Manong.
Ready? Diretso lang.
I'll do the tambourine. Straight lang pag diretso ka na.
Diretso pa!
Pumunta sa susunod na pit stop. Ito ay nasa paligid lang ng Plaza Burgers. Magbadi, ang huling team ay dumating ay maaaring matanggal. One, two, three, and go! Race.
So, Jervy, you have a big smile on your face.
I have a very big smile on my face. I'm so happy. Dami ng pinagdaanan today. At ang galing ni Saida. Winner.
Jervy Saina, your
Grabe.
team number?
3.
Ano ba yung tapos
Okay.
Ay, no! Nagapos ako.
Alright, guys. Congratulations, your team number 3.
You're welcome then. Sit down.
See you in the next leg.
I know. Thank you. Come on.
Doon talaga, medyo I got pissed. Kasi yung parang, oh gosh, nung una pa lang, parang gusto ko na makipag-switch kasi alam ko na hindi ko siya makaya sa first try.
We can switch? Dad, switch!
Come on, hurry up!
Buti na lang, pumayag ng switch.
Yeah, all of a sudden, biglang binalik ako. Sige, mag-switch na kayo.
Wasted so much time.
Yeah, I know. Dalawa na nakapag sa atin.
You got a bad horse, man! Woo!
Anton, come on. You are the 4th team to arrive at this pit stop.
Oh, wow. Ah, interesting. Okay. Take it. Getting better.
Congratulations, but unfortunately, guys, I cannot check you in as of now. We found out something. We're gonna have to take action and apply a time penalty.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you to step aside.
Okay. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Oh, man. Tough day.
We got a clue!
I knew it, we could switch. Pumunta sa susunod na pit stop!
Wait!
Ed, Angel, you guys are team number 4.
Yeah! Oh, how did that happen?
Okay, let's rock. Okay, pumunta sa susunod na pit stop. Sabi to, Ben. 1, 2, 3. Move! Alright, let's rock, man. Come on. Uy, let's rock. Ay, let's rock. Ano?
Boom, Cheng.
Yeah. Naku, malala to.
Congratulations, you're still in the race.
Yes.
Your team number Team number 5.
I love you.
Ang galing mo, grabe! Ang talino mong nila! I love you, babe! I love you!
Come on, baby, let's go. Right here.
Ladies, kayo ang team number 6.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Pokpok palayok. Yeah, actually, ninalaro ko siya nung bata ako. Because when I got here, I was 8 years old, and then like I celebrated this birthday. Every kid's party, lagi may pokpok palayok. And punong-puno siya ng candy. And may blindfold kami. So yun yung kailangan mong gawin.
Oh my gosh, you did so good. Come here, come here, come here.
I did this when I was young. With candies. Kung wanted sa muna yung pit stop, ito ay nasa paligid lang ng Plaza Burgos. Magmadali at huling team dumating.
Danny at Mish, kayo ang team number 7.
Oh my God! Thank you so much!
This is it! Yan ka lang, isa pa! Thank you!
Pumunta sa susunod na pizza. Ito ay sa paligid ng Plaza Burgos. Magmadali ang huling team eh. Dating ay maaaring matanggal. Tara!
Pumunta sa susunod na pit stop. Yung pumunta ka natin na.
Ito yung Plaza Burgos eh. Ito lang to eh. Kuya, saan dito yung maraming bandera?
Plaza
yung
Burgos.
mga kasama
Saan paikot
namin?
ang Plaza Burgos?
Paikot.
Ang bigas ng balayok. Matigas talaga, pero ang tawag ng concentration lang naman, pre. Yan na yun. O, yung pit stop na yan. Aray ko siya! Go! 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 Hey! Nauna eh. Eh, tagal mo eh. Hindi pwedeng mag-isa. Sabi ko, pre, dalian mo. Hindi mo pa
Ladies, join us on the mat. Dahil Fausto. Dahil Fausto, you're still in the race. Ladies, you are the last team to arrive.
Okay, we're in. It's all right.
Anyway, guys, you're still in the race. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. Ladies, I commend your spirit, your honesty. Kaya siguro, meron kayong anghel na nagbabantay sa inyo. Because ladies, you're not eliminated from the race. One of the teams have received a penalty, meaning to say, you're the 9th team to be checked in, and you're still in the Amazing Race Philippines.
Is that true?
Ladies, kayo ang team number 9.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Anton, Arman, Anton, Armand, this is your opportunity to explain bakit mo ginawa, that you had somebody contact someone outside the race. We don't know for what reason.
It was my fault, my stupidity. Now we were cooped up in the room. I just wanted to send a message out to, my mom. So just sent a message out saying hi, and that's it.
Yeah, you did very well. You came fourth, the second pit stop. Like I said, you will be receiving a time penalty. And that time penalty, guys, is 24 hours. With that, I'm going to have to eliminate you from the race.
Kasama sa rules of the game ang pagbabawal sa paggamit ng mga communication device para makontak ng pamilya, kaibigan o kakilala ng teams. Maaari kasi nilang itong magamit para humingi ng tulong gaya ng pagtanong ng directions, paghingi ng additional budget o ang tamang sagot sa isang task o challenge.
Something so simple, but it was breaking the rules, and I deserve any punishment given.
It's a big disappointment, We had high hopes, top 3, maybe winning it all.
No, it's not sugarcoat anything. I messed up, okay? I'm sorry.
It's all right, it's all right.
Come here.
It's all right, it's all right.
Bumiyahe by marked vehicle papuntang hanging bridge sa Buntok.
Next on the Amazing Race Philippines. Aakyat ang natitirang team sa isang bulubunduking lokasyon
Bakit po bawal eh? Kailangan namin pumunta doon natin.
kung saan kailangang sumunod sa tradisyon.
1, 2, 3.
Ah! Oh my God!
Iganon mo.
Don't help me, Mark. Don't do it. Don't. Stop it.
Dito, buhay probinsya ang haharapin nila. At lakas ng katutubo ang kakailanganin ng bawat isa.
What did I do to deserve this?